Hello, welcome to a new video. It's been a long time and we're switching things up a bit, like I promised. I'm going to try and do a bit of eBay reselling videos, a bit of game collecting videos, and everything in between. So, that's what the channel started off as, and that's what it should be. So, yeah, eBay reselling videos are good, but you know, and car boot sale videos are coming, but we haven't started car boot sales yet. So, today's video, I'm upgrading my PC, and exciting times. All the eBay money that I've made, some of it, I bought some PC parts and I'm going to upgrade my computer. So I'm going to show you my current setup currently-ish and the specs, show you what parts I'm putting in my new one, and then I'll get my computer tower out and then we'll open it up and I'll show you how dirty and dusty it is. And then we'll go from there, and then I'll try and record the process of me building it, taking it apart and starting it for the first time, and hopefully it doesn't blow up. Nah, it should be alright. So yeah, let's show you the specs if you're interested. Okay, we're on the trusty computer. Oh yeah, I should have shown you my setup at the moment, kind of thing. So, this is my desk, very dirty. Got coffee there. 2 screens. I've actually got 3 screens because I've got a driving sim there, which I built. And then my computer's done there, out the way. So, you'll see that shortly when I take it, disconnect it and put it on the table and we'll open it up. But yeah, so this is my Asus something, I can't remember what screen it is, but it's a 2K screen, and this is just NVIDIA Experience, and these are the specs, obviously what shows up. So I got the RTX 2080, that's a MSI one, and it's a Seahawk, I believe. You'll see when I open it. I've got Intel Core i7-7700K, quite old now, but it does the job, it's really good actually. 4.2 gigahertz, and then I got 32 gigs of RAM, and then my refresh rate is 170, and then 2K monitor. And then these are just the other specs, which is basically the same thing, but these on Windows. So yeah, that's it really. And this is what we're upgrading to. So we've got Ryzen 7 500 series. I can't remember what gen it is. I'm not familiar with Ryzen, but there you go. So there's a Gen 3 AM4 socket, but very good. It's a 5700X, 4.6 gigahertz max boost. Obviously you can overclock that, I would have thought, but the processor is somewhere in here. It's kind of in there, you'll see it. We got compatible motherboard, obviously, because you can't. We went with MSI again because I love MSI. This is actually a really good board. My mate's got this one. He said he looked months for this board, and I got it for 120 quid, brand new. It was yes, brand new. It's nice. You'll see it when I open it. And then this is just my new cooler, new one, brand new one. It's actually refreshed, nice. Apparently this lights up or pulses. That's actually a light. I never knew that. So that's pretty cool. We've got some new thermal paste, because obviously you've got to paste your CPU before you connect up to that, else it will fry. And then we're obviously using parts from my old computer. So yeah, you probably thought, how am I building a computer of all that? So we're taking parts from my current setup in the tower case, what you want to call it. We're swapping out the motherboard, the CPU obviously because they're not compatible and they're Intel. We're keeping the hard drive storage drives, sorry. Keeping the RAM for now. I'm going to get 3200. I'm actually running 2600 or something, or 2300. Quite low speed, but it doesn't matter. So we've made some money on eBay. So, and I took something back to Amazon, so I get 35 quid for that, and then some more money. So yeah, I could buy some more RAM. Yeah, so we're obviously using everything else from that. We're just swapping out this. You'll get the gist when I show you. So, less of me talking. Next clip will be me getting the case, open it, and you'll see how dirty it is. And we've obviously got to clean it first before we set it up. So yeah, let's begin. Okay, cool. So we just took apart the computer, disconnected all the cables. Sorry, just moving Hoover up there. I had to just Hoover up there because it was awful. So yeah, this is very dusty. So this is the beast. It's actually a really good setup, to be honest. Yeah. Look at all that dust. my sneezing and coughing and asthma is going to be great. So we got a cooler with my graphics card. I've always wanted one of these. This is the Seahawk, like I keep saying. I'm pretty sure it is. I got this second hand. Yeah, this was like 400 or 450, like before COVID. It's actually worth more now. Got 2 storage drives just for like photos, music, YouTube stuff, you know. Coolmaster cooler, got the 240. Is it 240? Yeah, 240 radiator. I do want a 360 one, I think it's called, but it only goes here. But yeah, more money. Got the Corsair RAM. Oh, forget about that. I actually had it like that, didn't I? Red and black. That's pretty cool. And then yeah, coolers in there with the CPU under there. You got the M.2 there. That's my what is that? 500 one? Sorry, I'm just looking. Can't remember. But yeah, and then we got another M.2 under there. But yeah, you get the gist. It is very dusty, so I'm gonna have to clean this. And yeah, I'll probably clean it and then come back to you guys, because you don't really watch me clean it, do you? But yeah, we'll see what we can do. Okay, and I've got to get the Hoover out, so it's gonna be loud. So yes, see you in a bit. I forgot to tell you, this is my Coolmaster. Oh, it's not Coolmaster, sorry. It's a Corsair case. Oh, nearly knocked my coffee over. I call it the Cube case. It's basically also known as the Cube case. But it's called 450. I can't remember. You know me, never get the information format a video. This is the Corsair Cube case. We'll just call it that, because basically you type that in, it comes up. But yeah, it's quite nice and sleek. Nice design. Comes with obviously a window. It's nice. And then yeah, just the back. It's cool. It's fun having a massive case, but it takes up too much room sometimes. But yeah, each their own. Cool, I better get to it. So yeah, that is my quote, and it is very dusty. So yes, oh shit, look at that. Okay, we're taking it apart, so yes, it's going to be a long process. So I'm going to put you lot down, and I'll come back to you when there's more progress. I'll come back to you when the motherboard's out and it's a bit cleaner, okay? See you in a bit. I don't want to make it a long video, you know, but it'd be entertaining to watch, I guess. But yeah, so we'll come back to you when it's out and a bit more cleaner. See you in a bit. It's going to be fun. So much dust. Not good. Okay. Let's go. So we're just taking out the motherboard now. Usually has about, I don't know, 8 screws maybe each corner, and then a few in the middle. But yeah, I've got most of it out. It's so dusty. So we'll take the motherboard out, and obviously got to take the M.2s out. Take the CPU out, eventually, obviously. But I mean, put that in its box. I've still got the original box, so I'm going to sell that. I've got to sell this motherboard, obviously, to recumulate. Is it recumulate? Basically get some money back. And the cooler, obviously, I'll try and sell. The cooler. And that's it. And then I'll have a good old clean, tidy up. And then we'll put everything back in. Well, all the new stuff. Still got to clean. Got to take those fans off. So actually, no, I'm not using those fans anymore, I don't think. I'm using the new ones. So that I've got to get a good old clean. The graphics card. And then we've got to put the RAM back in. Hard drives. Trusty Hoover. Cool. Back to it. Got busy, lots to do. And just like that. Probably not the best way to hold it, but oh well. Motherboard's out. It's a nice actually board. I like this board. So cool. MSI. The old famous MSI Dragon. So yeah. We're out. Get in there. So yeah. Cool. And I just realised something. Let me put you down over here. This would be like a little vlog as well, because I'm walking. There's the original box, so that's pretty good. I can put this over here. I realised something. So I was looking for my brackets for my cooler. I keep saying cooler. It's cooler. So this is obviously the Intel side. What it went in behind the motherboard, and I didn't realise that it's reversible, and it's AMD that side. And this is compatible with the AM4 processor. And I've just bought a new one. But oh well, it's good to have a new fresh one, I guess. Fresh build, fresh parts. I've had this cooler for a long time, so oh well. That's pretty cool, because obviously when I sell it, they can use it for either. Yeah, I didn't realise that. Huh. Neat design. Pretty cool. Cool, back to it. You know me. I gotta get down with it. And here is the new motherboard. MSI Tomahawk Mag. Like I said before, probably not the best to hold it like this. But yeah, we got all out. It's basically clean. This literally won't take long to put in. And then we can go from there. So yeah. Hopefully you lot are enjoying this. I know there's probably better ways to film a video like this. You know, time lapses and all that stuff. Fancy cameras, but I ain't that famous. All that prepared. All that good. But it doesn't matter. We're having fun. So yeah, I'm going to get the motherboard in. And yeah. So nice, look at that, black, sleek, black and grey, really nice. Cool, let's go, let's get it in. Hurry. And the motherboard is in. Look at that, easy. Nice. Fresh. Get in there. Cool-wee. Sweet. Oh, and just like that. Come on, tripod. The old Ryzen 7. Wonder if you can see that. 57X is in. The only thing what annoys me is, why is it mounted that way when the case is this way? OCD. I ain't got OCD, but you know, that would annoy you. So yeah, so we got that in, got the motherboard in. Just got to paste it and then put the cooler on. But we'll get the cooler connected up there. And then yeah, we're getting there slowly but surely. It's no rush, you know, very expensive. If I break this or anything, there's a problem, you know. Just take your time. Because computer building, enjoy it. But yeah, if you mess around, brush things, you're gonna break it. Break a pin, bend something, yeah. All it takes is a little bit, a screw to fall on the motherboard and scratch it, and that's it. Well, anything, you know, so yeah, it's all good. So, hopefully you're enjoying the video. I don't know how long it's going to be, but we'll see. Cool. Anyway, let's go. Can't wait, this is going to be fast as frick. Yeah. Cool, we're getting there like normal. Hope you can see. It's got to connect up the CPU cooler. with the CPU onto the motherboard. Yeah, so basically take these out, put the bolts in either side, push that in, connect up, tighten up, kind of thing. You get the gist. So yeah, we're getting there. Nice, mate, it's looking good. Can't wait. And just like that, we got the cooler in. It's nice. Yes, it was a bit of a pain, but you know, it is what it is. It's all good. Getting there. Most things connected. Just need to clean Seahawk. Then put that in. Put M.2s in. And then we should be ready to boot up. Yes. Cool. Okay, we got the cooler in. CPU cooler, graphics card cooler, graphics cards in. Basically everything's in. I just need to connect a few more little bits and I will turn it on and test it. Hell yeah, boy! And just like that, I finished. I've turned the flash on because my lighting there is crap. So yeah, it's not too bad. Oh, I need to cover that up. I need to find another one, but it's all good. Good old dust, not too bad. Cable management is alright, I suppose. Excuse me more. Get hiccups. Yeah, it's not too bad, I suppose. Need to just check all my connections again. Seems all good to me. Hopefully I've connected the front panel power reset button correct. Didn't come with a manual book with the motherboard, but it does make probably check online. But yeah, sometimes you have to just change these around, but we'll see. Nice block. Yeah, looks good, mate. Cool, we'll turn it on. It's probably going to be obviously down there. It might be dark, but I'll try my best. I'll put the old flash on and we'll see if it boots up. So yeah, see you in a minute. Moment of truth. Let's see if we got Post Malone. Ready? Wow. That's usually a good sign. That's on. Okay. That's on. That's on. The cooler fans are not on, but that could be because it's not at temperature yet, maybe. Let's see what's going on. What's the inside? Oh, it's starting up, so that's a good thing. Give it a second. Let's see. What screen is it coming on? I don't know if I told you, I'm no computer expert, but I know how to build computers. But when there's a problem, something simple maybe, or, you know, technical stuff, I struggle. But anyway, I've got it working all this time. So, story is, the 5 series Ryzen, you have to flash the BIOS with a USB stick, plug it in the back, press a button, stuff like that kind of thing. So I did that all afternoon, and it wasn't really doing anything. And then I decided to put half it back together, press a button, and see if it posts. And it posts. Obviously, this is completely done. It said obviously about RAM and blah blah blah. Anyway, I was like, oh bloody hell, okay then. So I put it all back together, and yeah, we have a working computer. It took me all afternoon, stressed out, and yeah, I literally gave up. Went to my mates to get a USB stick, to get the program, blah blah blah, all that crap. So yeah, so we have a Ryzen 7 57X, 5700X, I believe. Well, you know, because I said at the start of the video, it's now like late in the evening. We got a new cooler out there, 32 gigs of DDR4 RAM. Oh, just realised something. These fans are not working, but we can figure that out. There's probably something at the back. It's no biggie. I better fix that quick, and then I can just put this stuff away. We got the RTX, yeah. So, what about this side? Oh, so it looks like I haven't connected my fans at the back. That's no biggie. We'll sort that out quick. Okay, well, hopefully you enjoyed that. That was a fun video. Obviously, like I always say, like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And yeah, so yeah, I'm pretty happy. Probably have to do a few tweaks on the BIOS, maybe just check a few things, maybe ramp up the processor, maybe, I don't know. It's running at like 3.7, I think. Let's have a check. Bear with me, guys. I'm recording freehand, you know, no tripod, so. Let's check. Oh, Starfield, can't wait for that. I just did some Windows updates as well. So, yes. So it's actually running. There's the specs now. 57X, 8 core, 3.4, 32 gigs of RAM. Yeah, boy. So yeah, exciting. I believe I can stream with this, no problem. I could do basically a lot of things, so that's pretty cool. So yeah, that was a stressful afternoon. I've finally done it. Just obviously got to sort those fans out. It's only at the back. Just check the connection. Or it might be that cable I took out the fan splitter. Most probably. So we'll probably just put that in. Take 2 seconds. And yeah, well, that was fun. So, cool. Leave a like, comment. Let me know if you like that. And then we'll try and continue with the random videos like eBay reselling, car boots when they start next month, collecting video games, all that stuff. You know, I want to try and get back into this. I just kind of don't know what to do really with the channel. You know, I want to make videos for fun and collect video games and buy stuff and sell stuff. But, you know, let me know you like it to be a mixture of the channel, because it's just, you know, that's what it is about. I don't want to focus on one thing because I like to collect video games, play games, and all that stuff. So, yeah, let me know. See you in the next video. Goodbye. Thank God, that was stressful.